Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how you can hide a team once you are logged in to Microsoft Teams. So if you're watching this and you haven't yet watched how to log in and download Microsoft Teams, you'll want to watch that one first. And when you log in, you will see a lot of different teams. So each of these groups is what I'm referring to when I say a team. And something that's important to know is that any group that begins with a 2-1 is referring to the 2020-2021 school year. So if you see a group that begins with 2-0, that is from last school year. And so I'm going to show you how you can condense this to just have the general third grade team, because all of the teachers are creating channels. So as you can see, I have a channel in here for morning meetings, and this is where I'm going to link where students need to go. So they are just going to come to the one team that has their teacher's picture. So you cannot delete a team, but you can hide it so that you don't have to see it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. The reason why we cannot delete a team is because all of our teams are linked to Infinite Campus. So if you were to delete the team, it would cause issues with Infinite Campus. But what we are going to do is hide all of the teams except for your general third grade homeroom team. So this student last year was in Miss Giddens' math class, and I know this is from last year because it begins with a 2-0, so referring to the year that the spring semester was in. So I'm going to click these 3 dots right here and hit hide. And once you hit that, it doesn't delete it. You can still search for it if you would like to, but it's just not going to show up and cause more confusion. So the whole point of hiding a team is so that the process of getting into Microsoft Teams is as smooth as possible for all of the students. And then this is Mr. Hunter's art class. I'm just going to click the 3 dots and hide. And remember, the one that you want to keep is your general third grade team. I don't know that there is a way to unhide a team after you hide it, so please be careful and make sure that you are looking at each one that you are hiding. And then I'm going to hide these. And this is all that you have to do, because when I go in and link the team that you need to get access to, you won't need the icon because I'll have a link for you. So all you will do is click the link. So this way, when the student signs on, all that they see is their homeroom teacher's name, and then they can click on here. And depending on what time of day it is, they can click, if they need to go to math, they will have linked for whoever their math teacher is. So if the student's in Miss Collins' math class, I can put the link to Miss Collins' Teams and they can go there. And that is how you find or how you hide teams on Microsoft Teams.